Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to add a local administrator account on Windows 11 PC. For this, first press Windows plus R key on the keyboard to open the Run dialog box. In the Run dialog box, you need to type Control space user passwords 2. This command you can find in this video description also. In case you need it, you can copy it from there. After typing this one command, click on this one OK button. This will open user accounts window. Here click on this one add button. Then click on this one link sign in without a Microsoft account, not recommended. Then click this one local account button. Here name the user such as admin. Then type a password for your admin account. Then retype your password in the confirm box. Here type the password hint. Then click on this one next button. This will create a local user account on your Windows 11 PC. To make it as an administrator, select this one user account you have created just now and then click on this one properties button. Switch to this one group membership. Here select this one administrator option, click apply, OK and then OK.